Hey Kendall, how long have you been teaching math?
Over 20 years.
Over 20 years. Have you ever had a lot of your students come up to you and say, I love fractions. Fractions are fun.
Oh, I wish. They're always like, fractions are hard and they don't understand them. And so...
We must have had the same students because that's what my students, they always say, I hate fractions. But we actually have a camp called Fractions Can Be Fun.
And they really can be.
They can.
That's right.
So in this camp, we're going to have a lot of hands-on activities using different representations of how we can construct fractions, add fractions, subtract, multiply, divide fractions.
And everyone's to understand on fractions and not just to know how to do it.
Right.
So worksheets? Are we going to do a bunch of worksheets?
No worksheets, all hands-on
stuff.
And we'll talk about how fractions can relate to our world. For example, music.
Yeah, Pythagoras, thousands of years ago, used fractions to create the scale.
So the same guy who did the Pythagorean theorem also created our musical scale. And we'll see the relations between those fractions and music. We'll bring in some instruments and see those.
You might look at how the Egyptians worked with fractions. They did some different things with fractions.
And just to kind of make fractions more exciting, more hands-on, and easily more understandable, so hopefully students will come up to me later and say that fractions aren't fun. They'll be excited about it.
I hope so. That'll be great.
So if you want to check this camp out, you can check our website. It has the weeks we're doing the camp, and we hope to see you there.